Looking ahead to the trading week beginning August 26, we're following 3 straight weeks of rallies now for the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ, although nothing has hit their all-time high again yet. 2 straight weeks for the Russell, and as we go into next week, we're going to be looking directly at the Jackson Hole fallout. Fed Chair Jerome Powell actually said the time has come for policy to adjust. He also said the direction of travel is clear and the timing and pace of rate cuts, not the next cut, but cuts, will depend on incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. Also, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic now said he seems to favor more than one rate cut. So we're looking at a rate cut cycle now, not just a policy adjustment. So we want to watch the fallout, especially in the equity markets on that. That's coming after a week where we dropped double digits in the 2-year, 13 basis points lower in the 2-year yield to 393 toward the end of the session on Friday, 10 basis points on the 5-year, 8 on the 10-year, and 5 on the 30-year. So you can see that shifting curve. We went on the 2s, 10s inversion from negative 17 the prior week to this past week finishing at about negative 12. That's the right direction. We're also going to be watching very closely the commodity reaction because commodities including gold, silver, and copper finish the week higher, which could be inflationary if it were to continue. We're going to see if any of that bleeds into crude oil as well. As commodities start a new bull cycle, we have to watch inflation figures, which we actually have an inflation piece of data next week. Now, looking at earnings and data for next week, we get 68 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting earnings, including some very big names like NVIDIA, Salesforce, CrowdStrike, Marvell Tech, Affirm, HP, NetApp, Lululemon, Dollar General, Best Buy, Chewy, Ulta Beauty, Burlington Stores, Gap, and Abercrombie & Fitch. In terms of data, Monday, German IFO business climate, U.S. durable goods, and Chinese industrial profits. Tuesday, German GDP, U.S. house price index, and the Conference Board's consumer confidence index in the U.S. Wednesday, German consumer confidence. Thursday, German inflation data, U.S. jobless claims, and the first revision of second quarter GDP in the U.S. And then Friday, German employment data, EU inflation data, Canadian GDP, and U.S. PCE data. There's your inflation data, along with Michigan sentiment data. And that same evening, we get the NBS PMI data from China.